All right.
Game plan them ZANU-PF dzataka kuita zvokuti saka ndio nyaya izvo zvinopisa paX zvenyaya iyo. Chamisa sengatwita achiti otherwise if you were doing this you are seeing symptoms ataura kuti let's address the issue of 2023. My rigging my election you first I think okay let me take ka copy paste ndio for this for Facebook. Just do just usakata mimi wakada Ritopisa nyaya izvo zvipa paTwitter baba.
Oh, ndaiona 6 hours ago yakanzi last solution for Zimbabwe.
Iri pana Anki Gerald.
Ndikuiona futi aitwi ndaiona.
Iri kutopisa ndio rito vanhu ndio vakatogarira paAnki Gerald.
Right.
Comment akawani vanhu vakutozara.
Toramba ndikotaura zvema elections a 2023 era kumana ngatimbobvisai uyu nekuti munhu tikamusiya uyu anopinda 2030.
Inini DJ wakachinjira iwo mwana mama sinoda kunyepera iwo. Chamisa itsotsi. Haana kutaura nyaya yekuti ma elections angopinza nyaya iyo but ari kutaura kuvanhu kuti I'm not part and parcel of what is happening.
Ignoring the 2023 stolen election is ignoring the root of our crisis.
You see what I'm sometimes the right statement yakanyorwa iyoyo and we are not in agreement with it but ndikuti ane zvaari kutaura sori kwestatement kuti is trying kuudza vanhu kuti I'm not part and parcel of in effect he's saying what these guys are planning wanageza they never even planned with anyone. So like they are doing their own things.
Ipapa ndisikuramba ipapo I'm in agreement. Then pane munhu azoya pa-first comment akanzi Brian Glove zvikanzi you need to call your followers to participate in the march zvikanzi naiye Chamisa 2017 taught us a big lesson.
Yeah, to me DJ I'm sober. I do not fly my brother. I'm 100% in agreement with him on that question. Because if they did not involve them, why are they jumping the gun? Why are they jumping the gun? That's my question with them. Was 2017, gentlemen, let's be sober for once. You always said that to me. You went to let's be sober for once. Are we going to solve my problems? Kana vanageza vasinogara pasi nevanwe vanhu vatisungira kuti vagare pasi for the sake of Zimbabwe. Let's take EDF Musa 17 October. Let's be sober. EDF Musa 17 October. Right? They win. Kwari besa cha India ndichiwenga. Right. Why besa chiwenga? What does side of chiwenga riri kutiro? My elections must be there. But are they speaking what kind of elections? Is the one that to be there? Is chiwenga going to say okay, EDF ndapinda ndavepo ndinoda kurepresenta my election ava iko 2028 no more 2030. Fine, because it's a dynasty. Is he going to say, okay, let's come and reason together to fix my election problems that now ground to me easy. My reforms are going to start. Are they going to do that? So which means we are guaranteed to suffer for more years with this guy. Because this guy, what it means, if they did not involve, they did not engage, they did not engage any people, who my business stakeholders. Let me engage you. It means it's a ZANU-PF thing. It's a power struggle between EG and Chiwenga side. Whoever wins, they'll carry on with the system. What we've been crying about. So me in this situation, I'm not happy. No matter what you try, I want to mark my way. Nothing will prevail. Akuna nakuja. Kana passion zvawo zvine discipline card. God is not going to allow this time. Because God wants to solve our problem for once and for all. I don't know Chamisa is the God. No, that's not what I think Chamisa is the president. But the only option they will solve my reforms in those elections. You know it's hard. It's when they can have a transition government. Each other agreement. They will finish the term with 2028. But between my 3 years, but you got some reforms. They can that way they can solve that problem. Then because my elections after NTA government, then we are guaranteed to we have settled our problem for once and for all. But can I watch out to Wakadaya Roma? Zero it's only power. Was in the reflect account and do that Kurunga. That's why I give up. I should go with my stakeholders. But they did not. They are still going and they're lying to us. What it means is, tikuda kuitiswa futi. Tozochema futi okoma. It's better ka we suffer once for 3-4 months. But it's solve a problem. Than kuti tofara mzangu 17 October. It's like November 15, 16, 17, 20 November. But what happened? We suffered for another 7 years. Those 7 years were so painful. More than the 37 years that Mugabe Pakatungambi. Let's be finished my things to a gentleman. I think I'll change the around in situ. No good to out the Madimon or opinion for the sake of 4. Let's have red reflector. Equal to phone out. I'm a reflector. Obey is corrupt. They are not saying anything. Kunema doza akabudiswa na yeye mzarageza mkatasa yekutanga tanga pakatanga pane mamwe sevan pakazunguzira kupesira masecho akabviswa. So what it means is whoever awanikwa ari kuside risiriyo akatanga vakaswara naye akachinja chero ari pa corruption zvikana anobviswa kuchikanani achiri chikanani. Saka it's all about which side do we belong. If we usadi kwa AG uri chigananda kana usadi kwa Chwenga uri chikanani. Is that Amdala Matoma? So is that fair? As we don't know that, it means we are creating another monster in Chwenga. We are creating another monster in him again. That is the same monster that was created in ED. This is the fact. Sometimes let's look this thing sober. Chamisa rukutara masemenda akawanda. But no garapasi chikataura. If that guy was hungry for power like people want to claim now, I would be on city one won't go far. You pinda ripo akawanda. Musizandi yako mazivide maisha. He was going to do that. But if for him to say, no, I cannot make them to be slaughtered. If this gentleman was actually watching history politics, they are the way this Canada so that they can prevail like the criminals around Mugabe. What happened to us in this? Why are they not engaging other stakeholders? Why are they not engaging them? To garapassport or anyai, to work something so that can wakati mademo to finish. Statement that on Chamisa you can take it for granted the way people say what. But I'm telling you, it's a dent. Ombe panya 17 October na watu wengi madifendi message. Enda patita kana unilikuwa kana usiri peace but baguno ndo sikuwa na wani pana people are fighting. This is what we don't need. We need a unit. But unity actually will be conflicting. I think about unity in fake is yes for me I'm a man of God. I cannot reflect one good lango pinda mademo. I see a picture of this. We need the truth so that can after the report take security. After the report take all atisangane mpana wangu wapashikumbisa wauya mpana uchifamba uri free wabva Africa uya mpana atembotora papa kana chita program mu Kristu patipa broadcast wa Zimbabwe. We love that. Not kuti zvongo kuti kufika funa mu Zimbabwe nongo chichika. Let's not sell chinchene kwayo. And nekuti tinoda kuti 27 wageza vataura because right now whoever is like opposing chitwana na geza but with some effect as to tell vari kula kumtengesa but inini I would rather stand with the truth not with the numbers because the numbers the truth is not one the numbers. The truth is the truth. We need something that will last forever. We don't want to celebrate time. Then you Chwenga apinda wakuti change. This is where we are going. Traore change his page from Traore update to president to Chwenga president. And then Chwenga are standing candidates. What 2028? Why? Because they know that Malaysia Wanongwarika, they will reach the Chwenga side. So these guys are not fighting for Zimbabwe. They are fighting for their power. Even if it was for Zimbabwe, why did not engage other stakeholders? Why? Why did not engage them? That's the point. So I can't kutaura kuti nini vakomana vana kutaura nesu. Kapana munambutaura nesu tiri chao. As long as vasina ngeja vamwe vana sunguta. But check now. Do you know kuti yamashaito nani? Vana madzore. Yes, vatengesa kuwazia. Vana madzore. They said something. Vanabiti vakataura vakasatisa imwe yakazoramba kubudira zvaro. But this time munhu wese ari quiet. Wopo chechai is quiet. That one and this politician. Zvinova uri zamawo mastatement hatisi kuti vana kupe vanhu vakanaka but kuti zvinhu kuti must tell us another thing kuti kuitiswa kuda kuitwa vanhu because why nchiti kuitiswa dzijewo check takadiscussa oneni soon after andire tikati check this these people seems like iri ravaita ya demo 17 October ipenizi rauda kutora because vaona plan yavo politics varowana idi vakutoona kuti conference ikangosvika disaster because they want to chase away Chwenga. Saka akacheswa Chwenga saka vakuita counter attack yokuda kusadza vanhu mustreet and hatikuziva kuti are they really people going to be protected? Are they really going to be protected? Why are they not saying anything about Nyika Mabhunu? They are quiet. If a big name like Nyika Mabhunu, they are quiet about whoever is going to protect the are they going to protect them? Or is going about skin? Jezananga kwa hariko kakawanda. Hatikuti tungawe pamberi. Hatikuti only bounce to the pamberi. But he could create the safety ground in Lipo. And how do you create it? You create it by having a genuine unit. A genuine unit. Do you think it was in October, ukangofamba idiatu mukatuka? Hakuna, you start to resist. But the resistance manje ikapiwa neseti kwana zvikananda kwana chiwenga. Nana ED, ne 2030. Asina kuti kuinvolva mamastakeholders akawanda. It's going to be disaster DJs. That zvavari kuita vari kutodivhaisira gap rekudemonstrata kari nemusoro vari kubava ngavambomira ini DJs ngavamira zvita zvemaputi zvauda kutiitira izvi ngavagare pasi sarwadziwa nyika yedu yarwadziwa vagare pasi vambomira usopush hwepower hwekumaintaina ZANU-PF system vachida kupinda vari mupower. They must sit down and be sober. Vambomira zvepower zvauda kutiitira nekuprotecta mawiri avo vari nawo vagare pasi nemasvika zveold ese nemabusinessmen ese vogara nawo pasi. Was 17 October is Friday. Mabusiness mazhinji anenge akavhara and they want to make money, so they were supposed to engage them. You tell them the plan. Why is it not a plan? Atingopinda mstreet check so zvautaura tapedza mstreet, but iwo vari kutotiudza kuti president Chiwenga ratina kune maflyers akanda kwamutaro atiwenga tonzi Chiwenga for president. So what is that? They want to use people again. This is what exactly. Do you think they want Chiwenga vakabvisa ED vanochagara pachiti yatikadzire mareform? Just I'm told you point blank. ZANU-PF cannot reform out of power. Because some reforms is to take them out of power. People, they must not be like Chiwenga has to support on the Rubuan. But also support Chiwenga to visit ED. People, they don't want ZANU-PF. Abadi vaneta ni ZANU-PF. Jesu kuti vanhu vari kusapota opposition inyaya yekuti tine group revanhu vari kufila ngema orphan. When Chamisa Sisi was killed, Chamisa karamba kanyarara. Vanhu vakadzimana vaita fatherless. Urunzwa mauposhe saka ndio vanhu saka vabva vazochoose side pakati paED naChiwenga. Chiwenga is a better devil. Ndoko awandira support. Saka support yese ari kuona ari funga kuti ndeyake, but aisiriyo. Check on 2017. ED vanhu vakazara afunga kuti support yaED, but come 2018 akarohwa masikati machena anakwanisa kuriga malechi akazoriga papa is too late. Ndipo vakafura vanhu mustreet vachifunga kuti vane support. That's same as Chiwenga. He's thinking that if he support doesn't need support. No, not anyway. But the people, they want him to take away ED. I think the church vanogona kupanduka. Because they do not forget what some people did. Saka iwo paruma problem and vita now in. They want to keep the system. They want to keep this system. Voda kuyamba kaikipa vachiita ichibenefita nayo. Chavari kuda kubvisa ED chete vaende papower. And right now is point blank. Chamisa is telling us another statement, political statement with no room. This thing tinamboinvolva tinamboinvita. Chiri hard ngati jone chipedza kutaura. Chiri hard kuti vangotora vachizogara nawo pasa votaura. Plan yawo apa plan yawo point A B C D. Voti imi munosa kusuggesta iri toita sei uri muchifamba. They are not doing that. Why are say what we do so vana kizwa.
Yeah, pakaipa.
And why are the all veta quiet? Mjara vanozvala vakasenga kutaura kutoka na drug kutanga.
Ana Knoxwell.
Where is Knoxwell? Why is he quiet? Vakapoka mari vakanyara. There is something zvisiri kufamba zvakanaka zvokuti pane varume vaita selfish agenda yavanga vainayo vision yemauveti yanga vainayo haisiri yavanayo vamwe vabva vati isi zvatizinyararire because chivero uku aita kuna more about my relationship itaura more about let's not masai, but it seems like kune vakatadza kumirana pa that vision ndosaka vamwe vauveta kuita maoko kudai. Yeah, saka where are we going? So inini hangu atinona be part of the to walk in a blind thing, vision. Because problem in let's not jump the gun. But so far that all there is Zvakatora Simita Rupita. Who's the test? The Ashingo Smita, the Pinham Street. But as serious, and the rest of Pachaula, Pachata, they'll come and attack him, and they will be sold a lot of stuff. It's like in evidence. The Ango Rampaka maintenance. But that's not the truth. So they will come all sorts of names to attack you. So that we don't mind. If God is involved, if God really sees what's done in secret, if he's involved, they will prevail. But if God is not involved, there is no Holy Spirit of God that will put people boldness. But around the way, videos, no palm shingy boldness. Street. As long as my no house divide itself shall stay. Chase shall wrong about mark my way. And they should continue to sell about Dami, no, no. If this guy is never sit down with anyone, still this kind, they want to trust out kuti kutaura zvinemusoro. They must forget about that. Havasati vava ready nechange. Kana vava ready, life dzavo series, vazati life yavo iri parisk naidi, they will find it. They know the right route to take. Hatisi kutaura maelection 2023, yes, makore afamba apfuura. But we need to solve our past so that we cannot repeat the same mistake in our future.
But
and our past of
But
yes,
on the other hand, kwacho tichitaura tiri sober tichinyatsoona who was to blame pama elections at 2023 after all have been said and done. Nelson Chamisa akauya on public platform akataura kuti tiri kutaura nesadiki ikangopinda mbako zvikanzi sadiki ichauya kuchaitwa ma-re-elections nevamwe vanhu zvikangopera zvakadaro. But right now anonzani Madagascar yanga ina cha Sadik chair vakamubvisa nechisimba. Sadik yacho haina chayakamboita. Saka pane pamwe panhu pacho pekuti sometimes kungonyarara iwe uchifila kuti hausi relevant panguva iyoyo it's the right option. Ndozvimwe zvinozopesa zvakuti kuti tifunge futi kuti Nelson Chamisa wacho anenge akapiwa mari because iye anozongoda kutanga kuzongobuda achitaura pesa apa ngaachipresenta plan kuti wakomana chiregerai kuenda kwageza uku chiuyai ini ndine plan yakadai so akanyarara and you expect kuti vanhu 2 million vaite sei. Ndosaka vakunosapota chiwenga havana kumba kwekuenda.
Yeah, you've got a point there. You've got a point. If I want to how best, I never talk to you. I mean, anyway, to say I don't have anything so that you can communicate with me. If I want to start to run, I'm going to find my connection. I'll find one temporary. I don't want to start now. Maybe you can give those wisdom. That's why I can answer you. But for now, I can agree with you. That's very 100% correct. He's quiet and he's just coming. I think I can agree with you. He was not supposed to throw that fit. Just to let it go. Because so far, atmosphere, Maurana Jitani, younger to confusion. No one was going to go there. Because Mr. 17 Dr. Choka, Parama, Buddha, because Masbako and Ziva, they will play a game and wait and see. Who is who? Mr. 17, they were not going to come out because they know the person they are dealing with. And Varuma Asura, Sakaipa Papa, I think you are 100% correct. He was supposed not to throw. Anyway, it was better for him to be quiet. They know Zotaura after. Shakana Zapati. It was going to make sense. It's difficult now to make people to believe that it's just you. Plus, information that I can see, and they are going to Vardakuvaka and Nana Chapiri. Here, Chamisari Patum of that issue. It's just you. Is it true or is it chocolate? So, a lot of problem. You have a lot of information that now that San and
topezera takuteerera marumors takumabhilivha because kubva riini apostle kubva riini imi mune mhuri mimi mune vana vesangano mune vanhu mune vana mwana wenyu mukangoramba muchiti ndichakutengera zvichaita anosvika paanoneta kuti mudhara chinguri makabvira enye ndakutopedza chikoro muchiti muchanditengera. At least sababa budawo neplan wotaura kuti I'm thinking of this and this and this kwete uramba uchingotinyengedza unge tiri vana vadiki. Aino kuna mwana vari gullible yekuti vanomuteera zvekudaro vanomubhilivha zvekudaro but ini ndotarisa masaidi ese ende nini handinyare futi kudzoka on public platform kutaura kuti vanhu sorry zvenyu nandifunga kuti zvakati but zvazodai so saka taakudai so but iye akanyarara.
Dismissa flawed. And anyway, with this plan that you are waiting on, at least times without the moon, had solution. But Abango and is using his influence. If Papa is cannot blame plus people they live in pain for a long time. I don't need some sort of all. Plus, what you are achieving, the other kingship, all those people are trying to block that. They are afraid. But at the same time, put it. And this is
I'm just on.
All right, it's okay. Yeah, no, it's okay, DJ. Always just in the tower.
All right, see the Evangelist.
All right.
So.